I am Basava Rajeshwari. I am from Gulbarga, Karnataka State, India. I want to tell about Lord Sri Basaveshwara. Lord Sri Basaveshwara was born in 12th century. He was a Brahmana. His father was Mahadiraja. His mother was Ganga Madalambika. He was left the home due to occasion of his sister, due to occasion of Gajaniva Diksha, Dharmika Diksha, religious initiation to his sister Akkanagama, but his father married Madhiraja was not agreed. So for this reason, Basaveshwara left the home with his sister Akkanagama, went to Kodala Sangama Gurukula. At that time he was a 11 years old boy. So he continued study in Kodala Sangama Gurukula with the presence of Guru Jataveda Muni. After education, he was married Gangambika. Gangambika was a daughter of Baladevarsa minister. Baladevarsa minister was a maternal uncle of Sri Basaveshwara. After married, Sri Basaveshwara returned from Kodal Sangama to Kalyana with his sister Akkanagama and his wife Gangambika. He joined as a accountant in the Vijaya court, Kalyana Chalukya dynasty. Once upon a time, Vijaya king got one old script from the roof of the administrative hall. So Basaveshwara, King Vijaya, given old script to all ministers to read, but nobody can't read the script. But Basaveshwara read the script and told the mistress of old script. In that script there was a vast amount of wealth under the throne of king that must be used for the society. Written in the script. So Vijaya King Vijaya get vast amount of wealth by the support of Sri Basaveshwara. Sri Basaveshwara. So for this reason, Vijaya King was King Vijaya given the appointment finance minister post to Sri Basaveshwara. So now become a Basaveshwara finance minister. As a ruled as a finance minister in Kalyana Chalukya dynasty in 12th century. Basaveshwara, and he was banned the bribe and corruption. Also, two rules are passing through the society. One is work is worship or manual labor. Second one is dasoha. One work is worship means to do work hard. Work has no inferiority. To earn the money, no begging, and all peoples of Kalyana Chalukya dynasty, they had followed these two rules. The work is worship and dasoha. All are becoming well and rich. At that time, Vijaya also demanded the audit. Treasury was correct and increased. So therefore, Vijaya is clear, cheerful, and he was not a king. He was intelligent and brilliant and intellectual person. So King Vijaya given appoint Prime Minister post to Sri Basaveshwara. So Basaveshwara now become a Prime Minister in Kalyana Chalukya dynasty. So Basaveshwara maintains peace surrounding kings and rulers. He suggested to surrounding kings, neighboring kings to no war. To maintain peace, our problems and disputes will be solved through the mutual discussion and ideas, not a war. Also, Basaveshwara suggested to surrounding subordinates to and surrounding rulers to maintain peace and tribute to King Vijaya Kalachuri. So Basaveshwara maintain the peace and avoid the massive destruction and loss of life and social instability. So Basaveshwara made a great history in Kalyana Chalukya dynasty, Karnataka state, India, Bharat. So Basaveshwara not only a politician, he was also a philosopher, social reformer, and father of democracy. He was established Mahamane in Kalyana. He was started group education of adults and youngsters. So Basaveshwara, all are become educated and written mantras in Kannada language, all Vachana Sahitya. So Basaveshwara given Ishtalinga Diksha or Dharmika Diksha to all caste of peoples in Mahamane. Ishtalinga wear in the neck. Ishtalinga. By this Ishtalinga was given by Sri Lord Basaveshwara. Altanu ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡಿ ತೆಗಿತಾನೆ. This Ishtalinga was given by Lord Sri Basaveshwara. Ishtalinga Diksha or Dharmika Diksha given to all caste peoples and women. So all are wearing in the neck and worship on our palm. When worshipping of Ishtalinga, our mind and eyes are merged in a solar nation, divine or supreme. So we will get a liberation or moksha from this universe. So Basaveshwara also established a Anubhav Mantapa, in English called as a Sansat, in 12th century. In Anubhav Mantapa or Sansat had a speaker Allama Prabhu and vice speaker Channabasavanna, president Sri Basaveshwara. In the Sansat or parliament had 770 members. Out of 770 members, there are 333 are Vachana women. They are Akanagamma, Nilambike, Gangambike, Muktayaka, Satyaka, Sude Sankava, Kalave, Sugale, Rechava, Rekamma, etc. So all they are written Vachanas in Kannada language, mantras in Kannada language. So Basaveshwara given equal respect, equality in Anubhav Mantapa and all caste and women also. So all parts of India came to all parts of peoples from peoples came to Kalyana, joined in mutual discussion of parliament or Anubhav Mantapa. So Basaveshwara also made a intercaste marriage and remarriage of widows. Intercaste marriage can high born of Brahmana Madhuvarsa and Dalita Haralaya son got marriage Dalita Haralaya and Brahmana Madhuvarsa daughter got marriage by the bless of Lord Sri Basaveshwara. So Basaveshwara after intercaste marriage, Kashmir King Mahadeva Bhupala written one mantra in Kannada language. I am translated in English. Low bar, high barn and low barn are the two poles of the Sanatana Dharma. One is North Pole, another one is South Pole. There is a very huge ditch. There is a huge ditch. Wind of equality blown. They both of them tied by sacred thread of Shivakti. Oh Lord, high born daughter held the hand of low born son Dalita Haralaya. So human supreme miracle of humanity achieved among the Sharanas or devotees. Oh Nishkalanka Mallikajana, I have seen and got wonder. So Kashmir King Mahadeva Bhupala written this mantra in Kannada language. So Basaveshwara also written constitution. He was a diplomatic person, dynamic person. He was written in Kannada in the parliament, constitution in Kannada language in the form of poem. So I will tell in next video. Shanu Shanatitu once again all and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Jai Mahatma Basaveshwara. Shanu Shanati.